If your motorcycle won't start, the first thing to check is the battery, as a dead or weak battery is one of the most common issues. Next, make sure there's enough fuel in the tank and that the fuel valve is open. Inspect the spark plug for any dirt, damage, or loose connections that could prevent ignition. Also, double-check that the kill switch is off and the bike is in neutral. Sometimes, a simple overlook can be the cause. If none of these steps work, it's best to consult a mechanic to diagnose any deeper electrical or engine problems.